What is up, guys? I am back. This is your girl Megan, and I've been MIA. Yes, I have. I have just given birth to my second daughter, and we are trying to get our lives back in order. It has been a wild ride. So today I'm just cleaning up their room, and I have another room that I have to clean up, and I'm doing some laundry. So I'm just taking y'all with me, and I'm just going to be talking to y'all and kind of updating y'all on life. Just life. Life is crazy. Okay, so just stay tuned. Okay, friends. So in here, all I'm doing is just rearranging some things, just trying to put some books back. She got a lot of books. Mia did. She got a lot of books from just people, and so I'm just kind of showing you some of the books that she likes and everything like that. And so I want to do something different in this room. I really want to make this room like super duper girly and just like a girl's girl type of room. And y'all, listen to my baby. She is so cute and funny. Like, this is just her personality. Like, she is just so giving and so loving and all of that. But yes, this is Mia, and this is all of her books just about. But yeah, the last couple of months have been really, really difficult. Just postpartum has been hard. Like, just accepting my body at this moment in time. Not that I can't do anything about it, it's just a mental thing. So yeah, but that's pretty much it. And just making sure that I do take care of myself, and while taking care of my family, because sometimes it can be very difficult and hard to take care of yourself while you're taking care of your family. And it's so easy to just kind of like lose track of yourself and lose track of just who you are. So yeah, but things like this, just her being herself and being silly and all that kind of stuff, just brings even more joy to me as a mom. And I don't know, guys, like, motherhood is hooding, okay? I know y'all see this blob of hair, and that's Mia. She's going through her stage of like trying to pull her hair out. But y'all, this girl, she is a mess, okay? But and then also just like balancing two kids has been very difficult. It is something that I'm genuinely like not used to, and it can just be difficult. But I thank God anyway. Like, the Lord has really just been helping me out in the department of motherhood and helping me to just see what my purpose and what my calling is now. I have also decided to just take it day by day and understand and learn that everything does not happen overnight. And so just like me cleaning this room and trying to, make sure it looks nice, it takes time, okay? And so I don't know, I just want to encourage all my mamas out there. If you are holding it down at your home, staying home, working, whatever the case may be, I'm praying for you, and you're not alone. So yeah, now we are entering into my mom's room. She is living with us, and I'm having to, care for her. And so I am doing a bedroom refresh for her room, just to make sure that everything is nice and clean and all that kind of stuff. She really doesn't like the comforter on the bed. She just likes to sleep on the sheet. That's just what's most comfortable for her. But today I just decided to still go ahead and put this on for right now, just so that the room can kind of just look more alive, and I just like making up the bed. So anyways, but that has been also just something to get used to, just trying to not only take care of my family, like my kids and my husband, but also caring for my mom and even my grandma at times. But the Lord has truly been faithful. He has allowed me to be here to do that. He has provided for us financially to do that, and to be sure that everything is still running smoothly. So I thank God for that. And plus also, like, it really is humbling, to when you're a caregiver. It is a humbling experience, okay? Not just a mommy, not just a wife, not just all these things, but caring for somebody else, taking on that, it is very humbling, and it has helped me to kind of get off of my high horse, as one would say. But it has really helped me to just look at life a little bit different. But this is her room after, and we have some more stuff that we want to do in here that I'll share later. So we're in the laundry room, and this is going to just conclude this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed it. Hopefully I can make some more content very soon. I really, really appreciate each and every one of y'all for even being part of my community. Love y'all, and I'll see you in the next one.